Hello friends, welcome to the Excel problem solving session. Let's go to the problem. In the second problem, the user has asked how to merge all pin codes in one cell. For example, he want to see like this and the pin codes are here. And I have used the pin codes here just for the reference. It might not be the same pin codes. I have just dragged the formula. In the formula number 9 and 10, we had two formulas. One is concat and second one is a text join. We will try to use both the formulas. First I need to put comma and drag it till the last row. Here we are using the fill handle, lesson number 3. So then is equal to concat and select the area. Now you can see all the pin codes are concatenated. Friends, remember whenever you are using the concat formula, the last cell will also have the comma. So you have to make sure that you are removing so that you will be able to use it. Now I am going to use the text join is equal to text join. Now I'll be using the delimiter. We have seen, friends, how to read the formulas. To write the formula, if you have any keyword, first I am going to write the formula. After bracket, you have, it is asking for the delimiter. So I am going to use comma. Then I want ignore empty cells. Yes, I'm going to ignore. And then we are going to use the whole range. And bracket close, click on enter. Now you can see we have the same result.